Hello students, welcome back to our e-learning classes. In our previous class, we already learned lesson number 8, festival and celebrations. Now today we are going to learn our new lessons, lesson number 9, food. What is the food for us? Can you imagine it? We can't live a single day without food. No, it is not possible. Food is the things which provide us energy to our body, which keep us healthy and active. So food is important things for our living. Now we are going to study this importance of foods and where we get it from this lesson. Now before studying the lessons, let's do a small task. Look at the picture. There is given one girl. She is eating some food, and there is given other picture. There is a girl. She is making something. So now see the questions. What is the girl doing in the picture? What she is doing? Eating. So right here, eating. What is the mother doing in the picture? What is mother is doing? She is cooking. So right here, cooking. Now students, I am going to read the lessons. You have to speak along with me. Why do we need food? Why we need a food? Because food is important for our living. Food is giving us energy. It keeps us healthy and active. So we need food to live. It gives us energy to do work. Food keeps us healthy and active. So what is the importance of food? Why do we need food? Because without food we can't live. If we are not eating a food, we can't get energy. So food gives us energy to do a different work. Food keeps us healthy and active. So if we eat a food, then it keep our body healthy and active to do any activity. Now students, turn the page. Food, because it gives us energy to do work and play. It makes us strong and healthy. Help us to grow and help us fight illness and stay fit. So food is important for us. Yes, food is important because it gives us energy to work and play. It makes us strong and healthy. It helps us to grow. And if we eat a good food, then it will fight the illness and stay us fit. Now do a small exercise. Take the right to the correct statement and cross out the wrong one. First one, healthy food make us sick. Wrong. So here make a cross. Healthy food make us healthy. Food give us energy to play. Right. So tick it correct. We can live without food. Wrong. So tick here. Wrong one. Cross it. Food help us to grow. Right. So tick here. Right. Now next point is meal time. What is a perfect meal time? In a day, how many times we are eating the foods? Mainly 3 times. At the morning, afternoon and night. So what is a perfect time for eating a food? I eat breakfast in the morning. It is the first meal of a day. So at the morning when we wake up, after doing a brush and bath, we take our breakfast. And breakfast is the first meal of the day. So everyone have to do a proper breakfast. Next is I eat lunch in the afternoon. So at the afternoon, at the near to 12 o'clock, it's become afternoon time. That time we are eating a lunch. Next is I eat dinner in the evening. So at the evening times I eat the dinner. So in a day at least this 3 times. we have to eat a food which keep us healthy and strong. So breakfast we have to do at the morning, lunch we have to do at the afternoon time, and dinner at the evening time. Now see the next point. Learning the meal time, there is given small exercise. Asha went on a picnic with her friend. These are some of the food items she shared with them. Write the name of food items below each picture. So there is given some food items. We have to help us to Asha to write their foods names. Okay, first one. What is the picture? It is a picture of fruit. What we call it? Banana. So write the spelling of banana. B-A-N-A-A-N-A. Next, it is also a picture of fruit. It's called apple. So write the spelling of apple. A-P-P-L-E. Next, it is so yummy. Yeah, it is a cake. So write the spelling of cake. C-A-K. Next, it is a fast food, but we all like it. So what we call it? Burger. So write the spelling of burger. B-U-R-G-E-R. Next, it is a fruit. What we call it? Grapes. So write the spelling of grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Next, it is also a greens. What we call it? Maize. So write the spelling of maize. M-A-I-Z-E. Now students, there is given one small exercise. Fill in the blanks. First one. I eat breakfast in the morning. So write here the spelling of morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Next, I eat dash in the afternoon. What we will eat in afternoon? Lunch. So write the spelling of lunch. L-U-N-C-H. Next, I eat dash in the evening. I eat dinner in the evening. So write the spelling of dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. Now next point. Food we get from plants and animals. So we all know that we get all the foods from the plants and animals. We get food from both plants and animals. Plants and animals give us food. So now we are going to study about it. We already learned that foods we get from plants and animals. The food we get from plants. From plants what we get? We get rice, we eat nuts, fruits and vegetables from plants. So these all things we get from the plants. Now food we get from animals. From animals which foods we will get? Animals also give us food. We get food like milk, meat, fish, eggs. So these all foods we get from animals. Now do a small exercise. Show some foods are shown below. Put a tick under the food item we get from plants. If we get from plants, then tick it. And a cross under the food item which we get from animals. So food which we get from animals, cross it. First one, egg. We get from animals or plants? Animals. So cross it. Next, apple, fruit. So from plants. So tick the right. Meat, from animals. So cross it. Cauliflowers, vegetables. Plants. So tick the right. Dry fruits, fruits. So tick the right. We get from plants. I hope you understand the lessons. For understanding it more properly, let's revise it. Already learned lesson number 9, food. Let's divide it whatever we learn. Food. We know that food means important things to our full life. We can't live a single day without a food. In a food there are so many dishes. Some are important for us. Some dishes we love to eat too much. Sometimes we avoid to eat some dishes, some food. Why do we need a food? We need a food to give us energy, We need food to keep us healthy. We need a food to repair and replace damaged and worn out tissues. So in our body parts, some tissues, some cells are damaged. So food helps us to repair it, replace it. We need a food to grow. So this is the things why we need food. Importance of food. We need food to live and grow. It makes us strong and healthy. It gives us energy. Next, meal time. What is a perfect meal time to eat a food? In a day, majorly there are 3 times best time to eat. Breakfast. Ideal time 7 to 8 a.m. Do not have it later than 10 a.m. So after 10 a.m. there is not a good to eat a breakfast. So we have to eat between 7 to 10. Must remember to eat within a 30 minutes of waking up. So after waking up, within a 30 minutes we have to eat our breakfast. Next is lunch. Ideal time is 12:30 to 2 p.m. Between 12:30 to 2 p.m. we have to eat our lunch. Don't have it later than 4 p.m. After 4 p.m. don't eat a lunch. It will be not helpful to us. The ideal time, a gap between breakfast and lunch is 4 hours. After our breakfast, at least after 4 hours, we have to eat our lunch. Next is dinner. Ideal time is between 6 to 9 p.m. After 10 p.m. if we eat a dinner, so it will be not help to us. It will be not helpful to our body. A meal should be at least 3 hours before sleep. We have to eat our dinner before 3 hours of our sleep. So if we follow this time to eat, then it will be help the food to keep our body healthy. We can't become sick. Mean times: breakfast at 8 o'clock, lunch after 12, and dinner at the evening time. Breakfast time. So in a breakfast is the first meal of a day. So we have to eat a heavy breakfast. So at the morning our body feel strong and fit. Next is our lunch. In a lunch we have to include all the food items like chapati, dal, sabji, sweets and all things. Next is dinner. At the dinner times we have to eat things which is a lightweighted, so it will be easily digest in our stomach. And in Indian cultures, majority people eat the dinner with the family, so we feel good. Source of food. Where does the food come from? Some food come from plants and some food come from animals. So we know that we get a food from plants and animals. From a plants, which food we get? Sugar, wheat, spices, fruits, chocolates, vegetables, tea, coffee, rice. So these foods we get from the plants. Next, animals. From the animals, what we get? Mutton, fish, butter, honey, cheese, yogurt, milk, egg. So these all things we get from the animals. So students, I hope you understand these lessons. Thank you.